Hey there, welcome back to Tim Talks Cooking. Today we are talking zucchini fries, my friend. That's right, zucchini fries. And you are going to love this crunchy little baked recipe we're going to do using Parmesan cheese for the keto diet. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make this wonderful recipe. First of all, we need 2 zucchini like these, and you can see that I've washed them, I've dried them off, and I'm going to show you how to cut them in just a moment to set them aside. I've also got here 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese with a half a teaspoon of garlic powder in it. I'm also going to add to it some freshly ground black pepper. A good 1/4 teaspoon or so. And we're going to mix those together. Just combine them well. This is going to be our breading. This is going to be what we have instead of breading for our zucchini. The cheese is moist, so we just want to make sure that garlic powder gets well blended in there. There we go. You'll also need 2 large eggs. Crack them right in the bowl. I've got just a little piece of shell there. Let me grab that. There we go. Always easiest to do it with the shell. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt to that. And a little freshly ground black pepper. I like to season at every stage. We're going to beat these up a little bit. We're going to combine it well. You've seen me do breadings before, and this is not going to be an exception to anything you've seen. Here we've got our zucchini, and to prepare it, we cut off the stem end and the blossom end. Set them aside for compost, and then I'm going to cut it in half. Cut this part in half as well. One more time. And then yet one more time, I'm going to cut each half into 4ths. So we're going to get 8 big zucchini fries out of each half of the zucchini. I prepared a baking sheet with some parchment paper, and I preheated my oven to 425 degrees. And let me just show you the very simple procedure here. You can guess it already. We're going to first of all coat our zucchini fries in egg. That's going to be what helps the Parmesan cheese and garlic powder stick to them. And then, using only one hand, I'm going to do my best to coat this in this ground Parmesan cheese. Shake off the excess, and in it goes into the sheet pan. We'll do it again one more time. You really don't need to watch me do every one of these, but here we go. I'm going to coat it. Kind of gingerly pat it on. There we go. Pat it on. There it goes into the pan. And I'll finish the rest of these up, and then we'll put them in the oven. And here are our fries. In the end, I did not use all of them. I'm only cooking for 2 tonight, so this is what I'm going to make. These are going to go into my 425 degree preheated oven for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, here's what we end up with. It looks great to me. Let's get these onto a cooling rack. I'll quickly slip them off there. And I'm thinking onto a plate for a taste test. Well, alright, let's give them a taste here. I've got some of my sugar-free ketchup that I made in another video. I'll put that link up here. And let's check it out. Looks great. That is excellent. It even has a little bit of a crunch. Yes, it's still zucchini, but oh yeah. You are really going to want to try this recipe. This is delicious, especially with that great ketchup. Anyway, listen, thanks so much for watching us here today on Tim Talks Cooking. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and especially subscribe before you go. We'll catch you next time on Tim Talks Cooking.